3 months ago, my mornings looked like a disaster movie. Burnt toast, wrinkled clothes, couldn't find my keys, late for everything. Then I bought 5 household gadgets for under $150 total, and now my mornings run like a well-oiled machine. These aren't expensive smart home systems or complicated tech. These are simple gadgets that solve annoying daily problems. And by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. The setup, let me paint you a picture. You know that moment when you're cooking dinner, your hands are covered in raw chicken and your phone rings, or when you're carrying groceries and can't find your house keys, or when you spill coffee on your couch for the 3rd time this month? Yeah, me too. These little daily frustrations add up. They steal your time, drain your energy, and make you feel like adulting is just hard. But here's what I discovered. Most of life's annoying problems have already been solved by someone who invented a $20 gadget. We just don't know these gadgets exist. The discovery story: 6 months ago I was drowning in household chaos. I'm talking dirty dishes piling up because loading the dishwasher felt overwhelming. Laundry taking 3 days because I'd forget to switch it to the dryer. Losing my phone 17 times a day. Then my friend Sarah came over. She's one of those people whose house always looks Pinterest perfect, but she also works full-time and has 2 kids. I'm like, Sarah, how do you do it? What's your secret? She pulls out her phone and shows me her Amazon wish list. These, she says. I don't have superhuman organization skills. I just have really good gadgets that do half the work for me. That conversation changed everything. Because I realized something. Working harder isn't the answer. Working smarter with the right tools is. Gadget number 1. Motion sensor trash can. Gadget number 1. The automatic motion sensor trash can. And I know what you're thinking, it's just a trash can. But hear me out. Picture this. You're cooking, your hands are gross, and you need to throw something away. With a regular trash can, you either touch the lid with your dirty hands, use your foot, which is awkward, or worse, miss entirely and create a mess. This thing, wave your hand, lid opens automatically, stays open while you're nearby, closes on its own. Sounds simple, but it's genius. But here's where it gets really good. When you're carrying a heavy trash bag out, it opens automatically. When you're cleaning up after dinner with arms full of plates, it opens. When the kids are throwing away snack wrappers, they actually use the trash can instead of leaving wrappers everywhere. I tracked it for a month. This one gadget saved me approximately 15 minutes a day in cleanup time. That's 7.5 hours a month. 90 hours a year, just from not having to manually open a trash can. Cost, about $50. Value, immeasurable. My kitchen stays cleaner, I wash my hands less often while cooking, and honestly it just makes me feel like I'm living in the future. Gadget number 2. Electric spice grinder herb chopper. Gadget number 2. Electric herb chopper. Now I used to think electric kitchen gadgets were for lazy people. I was wrong. They're for smart people. Chopping garlic, herbs, onions, it takes forever. Your hands smell, the cutting board gets messy, and if you're anything like me, your knife skills are questionable at best. This gadget: throw in your garlic cloves, press a button, 3 seconds later. Perfectly minced. Herbs, same thing. Nuts for a recipe, done. But here's the real magic. You know how sometimes you don't make that healthy recipe because the prep work seems overwhelming? Yeah, that stops happening. Before this gadget, I'd buy fresh herbs and they'd rot in my fridge because chopping them felt like too much effort. Now, I use fresh herbs in everything. My cooking genuinely improved, not because I got better at cooking, but because the barrier to using good ingredients disappeared. Average meal prep time saved, 10 to 15 minutes per meal. That's over an hour a day if you cook 3 meals, and your food tastes better. It's literally a win-win. Gadget number 3. Robotic window cleaner. Gadget number 3 is going to sound ridiculous until you think about it for 5 seconds. A robot that cleans your windows. I know. When I first saw this, I thought that's the dumbest thing ever. Just use Windex and paper towels like a normal person. But then I actually thought about the last time I cleaned my windows. It was never. Because window cleaning sucks. You need a ladder for the high ones. You get streaks. The outside windows are even worse. It takes forever. And let's be honest, it's dangerous if you have second-story windows. This little robot, you stick it to your window, press start, and it maps the entire window surface and cleans it autonomously, inside and outside if you have accessible exterior windows. I put this thing on my sliding glass door, which I never cleaned because it's huge, and 20 minutes later, it looked professionally cleaned. I literally sat on my couch drinking coffee while a robot did my chores. Now, this is the most expensive gadget on my list at around $150 to $200, but consider this. Professional window cleaning costs about $150 minus $300 per visit. This thing pays for itself after one use and works forever. But the real value? I actually have clean windows now. My house feels brighter. I'm not embarrassed when people come over, and I didn't have to spend 3 hours on a Saturday with a spray bottle and ladder. Gadget number 4. Magnetic Cable Organizer System. Gadget number 4. Magnetic cable clips and organizers. This sounds boring until you realize how much of your life you waste dealing with cables. Your phone charger falls behind the nightstand, your laptop cable tangles with your lamp cord, your headphones turn into a knot in your pocket, your car has cables everywhere. It's chaos. These magnetic cable clips, they stick to any surface, your desk, nightstand, car dashboard, and hold your cables exactly where you need them. Watch this. I put 3 clips on the edge of my desk. Now my phone cable, laptop charger, and headphones all have a designated spot. They never fall, they never tangle. They're always exactly where I left them. Nightstand, phone cable stays on the table instead of falling behind the bed at 2 a.m. when you need to charge. Car, cables for phone, dash cam, whatever, all organized. Kitchen, appliance cords stay manageable. I calculated how many times a week I searched for my phone charger. It was embarrassing. Probably 10 to 15 times. At 2 minutes per search, that's 30 minutes a week I was spending looking for a cable. That's 26 hours per year. This entire system cost me $20. But the reduction in daily frustration, priceless. It's the little things that make the biggest difference. Gadget number 5. Portable Handheld Vacuum. Gadget number 5. A powerful handheld cordless vacuum. And before you say I already have a vacuum, let me explain why this is different. You know that moment when you spill cereal on the kitchen floor and you think, should I get out the big vacuum for this? Nah, I'll just leave it. Yeah, that stops happening. This little vacuum is always charged, always ready, takes 5 seconds to grab. Crumbs on the counter, done. Dog hair on the couch, done. Sand in the car, done. Cracker explosion in the pantry, done. But here's why this genuinely changed my life. It lowered the barrier to cleaning. Before, cleaning felt like a project. Get out the big vacuum, plug it in, vacuum the whole house because you're already doing it. Now, I see a mess, I grab this. 15 seconds later the mess is gone. My house stays consistently cleaner not because I'm suddenly more disciplined, but because cleaning became so easy that I actually do it. Family lifestyle impact. If you have kids, game changer. They can actually help clean because it's not heavy or complicated. Spilled Cheerios, kid grabs the vacuum, problem solved. You're teaching responsibility while actually getting help. Weekly time savings. I used to do 1 big vacuuming session per week that took 45 minutes. Now I do mini cleanups throughout the week that take 2 minutes each. My house is cleaner and I spend less total time cleaning. That's what I call a life hack. The transformation. So let's recap what happened when I added these 5 gadgets to my life. Visual breakdown of changes. My kitchen stays cleaner because the automatic trash can and herb chopper make cooking and cleanup effortless. My windows are actually clean for the first time in years. My cables are organized, saving me hours of frustration. And small messes get cleaned immediately instead of piling up. Life quality improvements. But here's what the numbers don't show. My stress levels dropped. My house went from barely functional to actually pleasant to live in. I have more time for things I enjoy because I'm not constantly doing tedious household tasks, personal reflection. And none of these gadgets are expensive or complicated. Total investment, about $300. Total time saved per year, over 500 hours. That's literally giving yourself 500 hours of life back. The philosophy. Here's what I learned from this experience. We've been taught that struggling with household tasks builds character. That if something is inconvenient, we should just tough it out. Mindset shift explanation. But that's nonsense. Your time is valuable. Your energy is limited. Why waste either on problems that someone already solved, comparison to other life areas? Think about it. We don't refuse to use washing machines because washing clothes by hand builds character. We don't refuse dishwashers because hand washing dishes is the virtuous way. Technology exists to make our lives better. These gadgets aren't lazy shortcuts. They're intelligent solutions that free up your time and energy for things that actually matter. Call to examine own life. So here's my challenge to you. What repetitive, annoying task are you doing every day that probably has a gadget solution? Stop accepting frustration as inevitable. The practical guide. Okay, so you're convinced. Where do you start? Step-by-step recommendations. Step 1. Identify your biggest pain points. For 1 week, notice what household tasks frustrate you most. Write them down. Step 2. Research solutions for each problem. Search problem gadget solution on Amazon or YouTube. Read reviews. Watch demos. Step 3. Start small, don't buy everything at once. Pick your top frustration and solve that first. Experience the difference. Step 4. Evaluate ROI. If the gadget costs $50 and saves you 30 minutes per week, that's 26 hours per year. That's worth way more than $50. Step 5. Upgrade gradually. As you experience the benefits, add more gadgets. Build your optimized household one solution at a time. Budget-conscious advice. And if money is tight, start with the cheapest high-impact gadget. The cable organizers are $15 and will immediately reduce daily frustration. Bonus tips. Quick bonus round of gadgets that didn't make my top 5 but are still amazing. Automatic soap dispenser. Never touch a germy soap pump again. $20. Electric jar opener. If you've ever struggled with a stuck jar lid, this is $15 of pure relief. Drawer dividers. Not high-tech, but organizing your junk drawer saves you 10 minutes every time you need something. $12. Motion sensor night lights. Stop stumbling around in the dark. $20 for a pack. Magnetic phone mount for your car, kitchen, or bedroom. $10 of convenience. The CHALLENG. Here's my challenge. Buy one gadget from this list this week. Just one. Experience the difference. Then come back here and comment which gadget you bought and how it changed your routine. I want to hear your transformation stories. And if you have a household gadget that changed your life that I didn't mention, drop it in the comments. Let's help each other out. We're all trying to make life a little bit easier. The closing. 6 months ago, I was drowning in household chaos and thought that was just how adult life was supposed to be. Turns out it's not. These simple gadgets didn't just make my house cleaner. They gave me time back. They reduced stress. They made daily life feel manageable instead of overwhelming. Life is too short to waste time on problems that already have solutions. Invest in the right tools and watch how much smoother everything becomes. Those chaotic mornings I showed you at the beginning, they're gone. My mornings now are calm, efficient, and actually enjoyable. And it all started with 5 simple gadgets. If this video convinced you to upgrade your household game, hit that like button and subscribe for more life optimization content. And check out this video next where I show you budget-friendly smart home devices that are actually worth buying.